do this one thing, you will crush everyone else. Are you ready?
So to make a voice like that for 100% free and with no limits, and you actually do it with your own voice, you need to first download the video editing software called DaVinci Resolve. It is free to download and use. When you have downloaded DaVinci Resolve, you want to go and open a new project. Click on File, then on Import, and finally click on Media. Choose your audio file you want to import and make to a deep hacker voice. Drag it down to an audio track and then go to Dit instead of Cut down at the bottom of the program. Then click on the audio file in the timeline and look for the audio settings. There is a setting called Pitch and put the semitones to -8 to make the voice a bit deeper, and then set the sense till -100 to really make that hacker voice.
In C# you use if to check conditions and loops like for or to repeat actions.
To export the generated voice, go to Deliver at the bottom of the program and disable Export Video. Then click on Audio and make sure Export Audio is enabled. Last, give the file a name and click on Browse to save on a location on your computer. Actually, we also forgot to choose to codec. So down in the audio settings again, change the codec to MP3, then add the render to Q. Finally, at the right side of the program, click on Render All, and then the file will be at the location you want it to be. Thanks for watching and go and have a nice day.